Today in this video I will try to show you how to reset the circuit breaker. Before you, if you remember that here we used to use this zero signal so that nothing can reset this SR flip-flop, and that's why when there was a fault occurs in my power system. For example, here I have a motor load and there is a fault occurs at 5 seconds. So here I have a relay. It detects the fault and disconnect this circuit breaker using this flip-flop circuit and using this logic. And in my previous video I already showed you how to implement this. But look, here already after 5 seconds my fault is already cleared, but the circuit breaker did not come back in operation, or this load is disconnected from the power system. So what can we do so that it could work as auto recloser and so that it will come back in operation when the fault is clear? So in PSCAD there is an option they provide resettable. So you need to change this setting, and here you will get a terminal. Here you have to give zero signal and you have to change the logic a little bit, and for that we need to use this delay circuit. So for example, there we will give a delay around 6 seconds, okay, and we need to use this NOT gate. So let's run our system. So here I did not change anything, just here I use this delay, and look, there is fault and relay detect the fault, and look here our this is the signal from our circuit breaker, and here is still. Now the fault is cleared. So look, now my system is already come in operation. So you may say, what is this? So this is inrush current. Because of this motor load, there is this inrush current happening. So in my next video I will show you how to use inverse current relay, time over current relay, and how to set the settings and how to configure everything. I will show in the next video. So in this video what we have learned that how to reset this circuit breaker. So that's all for today.